Good morning, Fatima.
Good morning, Ahmed. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am also fine.
Please sit down.
Thank you. This cafe is nice.
Yes, I come here every week.
The coffee is very good here.
What do you want to drink?
I want cold coffee. What about you?
I want black coffee. One black coffee and one cold coffee, please.
Okay, coming soon.
You look happy today.
Yes, the weather is very nice.
I love mornings.
Me too. Mornings are peaceful.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I sleep at 11. What about you?
I sleep at 10.
Here is our coffee.
Thank you. It smells good.
How is your cold coffee?
Very tasty. What about yours?
It is also good.
I am happy we met today.
Me too. I am very happy.
Tell me about your family.
I have a small family. There are 4 people.
Who are they?
My father, mother, sister, and me.
What does your father do?
He is a teacher.
What does your mother do?
She is a housewife.
Do you help your mother?
Yes, I buy things from the market.
That is very helpful.
What about your family?
I have a big family. There are 6 people.
That is a big family.
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
What does your father do?
He is a businessman.
What does your mother do?
She is also a housewife.
She works very hard.
Yes, she cooks for everyone.
Do you help her?
Yes, I wash dishes and clean the house.
Family is very important.
Yes, family is everything.
We are very lucky.
Yes, we are very lucky.
Fatima, what do you do?
I am a student. I study English literature.
That is interesting. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading. My favorite book is The Alchemist.
What is it about?
It is about following your dreams.
That sounds nice.
What about you? What do you do?
I work in a bank.
Do you like your job?
Yes, but it is a little busy.
Work is never easy.
You are right. Hard work is important.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to open a small shop one day.
That is a good dream.
What about you?
I want to become a teacher.
A teacher is a noble job.
I want to teach little children.
You will be a great teacher.
Thank you, Ahmed.
I will also work hard for my dream.
We will both achieve our dreams.
Yes, we will. Inshallah.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to play cricket.
Do you play with friends?
Yes, I play every Sunday. What about you?
I like to cook and walk in the park.
I also like walking. It is very relaxing. Let's go to the park now.
Yes, good idea. Let's go.
This park is very beautiful.
Yes, the trees and flowers are very pretty.
Look at these birds. They are so free.
The air here is very fresh.
I feel very peaceful here.
Me too. This is a nice place.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes. What about you?
I come here every evening.
That is a good habit.
Look at those children playing.
They look so happy.
I miss my childhood.
Me too. Childhood was so easy.
Let's sit on that bench.
Yes, let's sit.
This is very relaxing.
I feel very calm.
Can we come here again tomorrow?
Yes, I would love to.
Same time?
Yes, same time.
You are a very good friend.
You are also a very good friend.
Look, the sun is setting.
It is so beautiful.
The sky is orange and pink.
Sunset is my favorite time.
Me too. It is very peaceful.
We should come here to watch the sunset.
That is a great idea.
When should we come?
Tomorrow evening?
Perfect. I will bring snacks.
I will bring tea.
I am already excited.
Me too.
It is getting dark.
Let me walk you home.
That is very kind of you. Today was a very good day.
Yes, it was a beautiful day.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you too.
I will see you tomorrow.
Yes, I will see you tomorrow.
Good night. Take care.
Good night, Fatima. Take care.
Bye, Ahmed.
Bye, Fatima.